Hello everyone, let's learn some colors. Pink color, black color, yellow color, brown color, orange color, green color, sky blue color and red color. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. A for aeroplane. B for book. C for cake. D for dolphin. E for eagle. F for face. G for goat. H for helmet. I for inkpot. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for leaf. M for monster. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for question mark. R for rainbow. S for sunflower. T for tree. U for uniform. V for vegetable. W for watermelon. X for x-ray. Y for yak. Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.